Hey guys, Ayanna here, and I'm going to talk about my nightly skin regimen. I'm going to start out with Best Damn Beauty's makeup remover. It is the best. It's available on the website, ayannabeauty.com. I'm super excited to be able to carry this line. I'm going to talk about the eye serum next, but let's get into it. So I'm going to take off my lashes, which this is like the saddest part of my day. Like, I love my makeup. Face Beat courtesy of Chevy. You can check out the blog for this look. I went with a super deep purple lip, and we've got the blue tones for the under eye. I mean, amazing face beat. I got the gold pigmented lids, and anyway, we'll talk about it. It's on the blog. I'm gonna take the lashes off. So sad to see them go. So we're gonna get right into it. So the Best Damn Beauty makeup removal, it's super good for tough eye. Look at that. I had on like 4 shades underneath that pigmented gold color. Look how easy it's coming off. Super stubborn eye makeup. It's super hard to get out. Look at that. So that's just a couple of swipes. I'm gonna add a little bit more. What I love about this makeup remover is that it's packed with antioxidants. So it's gonna keep my skin super, super clean and silky. The brows, I mentioned before in my other video that it looks like she did surgery. My brows are naturally uneven, and so I'm super sad to take them off, but they must go. So you can already see the difference. The glue is super hard to get off. I don't know about you ladies, but I find that to be like one of the hardest things to get off is the glue. So I'm gonna do a wash. I'm gonna get into some new skin products that are available on ayannabeauty.com. We have an amazing line with wrinkle recovery. There's a clay mask. There's some vitamin C serum, and then there's some eye corrector. For you ladies that are over 40, I recommend these products, which is why I did add them to the line. For women that are under 40, you should definitely start thinking about using these products now to preserve your skin. When I was in my 30s, I kept buying all this anti-aging stuff, and people were like, what is wrong with you? You're crazy. Like, you're not there yet, but you have to start preserving your skin when you're young. So I've added these products to ayannabeauty.com. Check them out. They're vegan. The Mademoiselle products are 100% vegan, cruelty-free, never tested on animals. Check it out. All right, so I'm almost done taking off the eye makeup. I'm gonna do a quick wash with my favorite. Well, actually a few of them. If you follow the blog, I have a couple of favorites that I like to switch up for cleansers. I'm always looking for something that can brighten. So you'll see a lot of those products that I use have brighteners in them. Look at that. It's almost gone. Eye makeup is the worst. It's beautiful, but it's the worst when it comes to taking it off. All right, sad to see these lips go, but they gotta go, girl. I'm gonna do a moisturizer for my lips because I feel like when I wear lipstick all day, I always feel like my lips are super dry and I need to hydrate. So I'm gonna hydrate inside and out. I'm gonna hydrate my skin, and then I'm going to drink water. I usually like to use water, drink water with electrolytes. What are you guys using? Drop me a comment. All right, so I think we're pretty much good to go for the wash. And that's step 1 of my nightly skin regimen. Stay tuned.